So Bybit just released their own AI sub account platform where you can actually power your AI agent and start trading all on autopilot. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to create this AI sub account and then link it up. I'm going to use Claude AI. You can actually use any AI of your choice, but I'm using Claude already, so I'm going to be using Claude. And I'll be using Claude to auto trade on Bybit. And the reason for this is Bybit said normal standard account is for you humans to trade with. But the whole essence of the AI sub account is specifically designed for AI agents that you can use to automate trading. And I'll be showing you that. You understand it better when we start trading with it. But in this video, we want to show you how to create this AI sub account on the Bybit platform. And I'm going to be using the web version for this particular demonstration. You can actually do this on the app. I'm going to create a separate video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that. For those of you who used access Bybit via the app, if you want me to do that, but we're using the web version to do this. If you don't have a Bybit account already, there is an ongoing campaign for this particular AI sub account. Yeah, I think there's a $30,000 somewhere the Bybit is given. I will look for that and share with you. Okay, yeah, I think it's somewhere around there. So there's a 30,000 USDT guaranteed price pool that Bybit is given for creating this. So use the link in the video description on my bio to create a Bybit account. Once you create your account and you log into your account, definitely you need your account verified. The first thing you want to do is to go to your profile icon right here. Once you are there, you see this option that says switch or create an account. Then beside it, you see AI sub account. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, when you click on it, it brings you to this page where you have access to all of the sub accounts you've created. You see a lot of all of the list of the sub accounts you've created. You see them here. If you have not created any sub account already, you just see blank space. All you just need is click on this create option. And once you click on the create option, it brings us to this page, and here you have the standard. This is a standard. All of the list, all of those sub accounts you saw there is the standard sub account, but we're going to focus on the AI sub account and for AI agents, as you can see right there, and we're going to give it a name. So let me just quickly name it. So I'll quickly name mine AI agent sub, and then make sure it is the AI sub account that is selected. After that, come down here and click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, I need to verify this by sending a code to my email, and then I need to equally verify depending on your means of authentication. So you just go ahead and verify this on screen information. Let me just quickly add up these details right here. Now, after the authentication, you are brought to this page, and you can see that my sub account is ready with secure default setting active. So the secure default setting is that it cannot exceed whatever amount I put here. If the bot overfires, it cannot exceed this $5,000. And then withdrawals are blocked, as you can see here. Exposure management, there's no limit right here. And then your TPSL option, everything is by default. Right now, I'm not going to do any changes here. I'm just going to use the default setting. The next thing I want to do is to connect this to my AI agent. And the agent I'm going to be using will be Claude AI. Since I already have a subscription there, I'm going to use Claude to do this. So I just go ahead and click on this connect AI agent option. Now, the next page is this right here. So it brings us, this is the connect to the AI agent option. And you can see right here where it says go beyond human limits and then unlock new possibilities with AI. So what we need to do right now is to copy this prompt right here. We just click on this option to copy it. And once I copy that, I'll go to my Claude AI now and then give this to Claude AI to generate the REST API keys for us. And we can come down here and paste the key right here. And once we paste the key right here, we'll go ahead and click on confirm, and our account will be automatically created. And once this is connected, the next thing we need to do is just to use Claude to start interacting with this particular sub account. The sub account is going to be, the AI sub account is going to be on our main account, but even if we have balance on our main account, the AI agent will only be interacting with this particular sub account. Now, once we copy this particular option, this instruction right here, the next thing is to open up my Claude code. Make sure you are using Claude code. All right. So here on this option, you have chat, you have co-work. We are going to go to Claude code. And on the new section, I'm using a folder I've selected already. If you're doing this for the first time, there is need for you to come in here and open a folder. I'm already on a particular folder that I've been using to analyze my market. So I don't mind if I have this right here. So I just go ahead and click on paste this instruction right here. And then I click on enter. Let's see what Claude will come up with. All right, so Claude has actually generated the API key for us. So all we just need to do is to go ahead and click on copy right here, and then we can come back to Bybit. And here where it says paste your public key below, we just go ahead and click to paste that and then click on confirm. And once we click on confirm, we need to authenticate this again using our Google Authenticator. So let me just quickly copy that code right here. Okay, so our API key is created successfully. Now, Bybit says that this API key is ready. Use this key within your AI agent to interface to complete the connection. So we'll just go ahead and copy. Now, this is supposed to be private, right? So make sure your API key is private. The reason why I'm exposing this is because at the end of this tutorial, I'm going to actually delete this particular sub account because I've created a secured O1 already. This is just for demonstration purposes. And just copy this and then come back to Claude Code. Claude Code, if you read what it says here, I think it has created a .env file already that you can actually paste this. But I'm just going to use it on the chat. Let me assume that you're a newbie, you don't understand yet, but you're not supposed to paste these details here. If there's anything you don't understand, you can always ask Claude Code and it will go ahead and tell you what to do next. But it has created a folder where we just need to paste that API key into the part that it has created for us, and it will go ahead and confirm that. But I'll just go ahead and paste this right here. All right, so our API key is connected successfully, as you can see right here. Now, this is for demonstration purpose, right? You can ask Claude to create a .env file where you can paste your API key. But here is the thing, Claude is actually noting right here that everything is connected successfully, but there is one particular flag before we call it done. And one of that is that the account transfer option, I didn't really take our time. I'm using the default Bybit setup. So what Claude is letting us know here is that this can, still move funds between account. The transfer option, it can move funds from either our sub account to another sub account or from the main account to the sub account and all of that. So this option is enabled. And this other one, which is the IPS, it says that there is no IP lock and then works anywhere. If there is a leak, just like I'm exposing this API key right now, if there is a leak, then anybody can actually use this right here. And because I use it on the chat as well, anybody, if there is a leak, definitely that can be accessed. So the best thing is to create, go to API. Now it's giving us a walkthrough on what to do. We go to API management and edit. And then under the edit, we should uncheck wallet transfer and then keep spot and the contract trace. If you want to trace spot and then want to trace virtual contract and all of that, then set the IP restriction to my IP instead of unrestricted. Now, because it's something I've used very often, I don't really need to pay attention for this to all of this. But the thing is that you can actually go and amend all of this. This is how you can actually create your sub account. Now, if I come back to Bybit and then I click on confirm option here, we can click on the transfer option to transfer account to fund this account. Right now, this account is not funded, so we can just go ahead and click on confirm. And once we click on confirm, it will still automatically lead us to this transfer option right here, and we can transfer. This time around, instead of Dogecoin, just select USDT, since that is what we're going to be trading with. So you select USDT and then you can transfer USDT from your main account to this particular AI agent account that we just created. So you're transferring, you can see right here, from main funding account to this AI agent account that we just created. Now, if you make profit and you want to transfer things back, you can just click on this to switch, and you can now be transferring from your AI agent account to your funding account, and then from your funding account, you can send it directly to your bank account. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on confirm, and that will automatically be taken care of. But for now, I'm not trading with it yet. I'm going to make another in-depth video tutorial teaching you on how to trade with this particular sub account. But one thing you can do is to come to Claude, which is the platform we're using, and say, can you please, let's say, can you let me know what you can do with this account connection? So here it gives you a list of what it can do, and look at it. So number one is balances and equity. You can check and all of that. Then open position. You can open position. You can open trades for you automatically. You can create open orders. You can trade, give you order history, trade history, market data, and all of these different things right here. You can do all of this. Then my trading rule: I never fire an order of my judgment. You see, place it. I show you the exact order first, symbols, side, size, entering SLTP, you confirm, then it goes. And then here it's using testnet, but I did this on the main account, right? So I'm just going to tell you to do this on the main account anyways. So I'm going to tell you to do it on the main account, which is the one I created. Then fund movement, I won't do this period, right? So you don't move your funds, then not possible with this key withdrawals. It cannot withdraw your money right here, and then anything outside your own account and all of that. So these are all that Claude can do for you. And then the other part is Claude has actually noted some of the skills I have here. These are the skills that I've been using to do top-down analysis using Claude. Now, what it says is it can analyze, size the trade against my real balance, and then add proper percentage, not guesses, then show a ready to fire order from the start, and then I confirm, and then it goes ahead and execute. So live position monitor where my BTC trade was PNL, SL, still valid, all of that. You can ask it all of those questions and it goes ahead and provide everything for you, and then it will auto log everything and then send you messages to Telegram if you want to do that. So I'll leave this for a separate video tutorial. This video is just to walk you through on how to create a sub account, connect it to Claude, and then from here you can start interacting with it. Now with this, go ahead, if you don't understand, just rewatch the video or pause them, or you can use the timestamp in the video description to go to any particular area that you don't understand. Watch it again, create your Bybit AI sub account, and then start trading directly using the Claude or any AI agent that you want to actually start using. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, make sure that you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we publish new videos like this. And if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description or in my bio, and I'll see you guys in the next video.